Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how I myself was able to fix Cash App not showing stocks. So if you're currently also experiencing that exact problem and you want to be able to fix it, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So what you're going to do firstly, just close your Cash App. You don't have to log out of your account, just close it, and instead you're going to click on your settings app. So go into your settings app and now you should be taken here. Scroll down just a little bit in here and click on general. So click on general and it should now take you to this page, which is perfect. So now on this page, you're just going to scroll down a little bit and then you're going to click where it says storage in here, as you can see. So click on storage and then just wait for this page to completely load. And when it's done, we're just going to scroll down and we're going to click on Cash App, because what we're going to do, we're able to fix this bug when we actually click on Cash App, and we're going to auto update our Cash App to the newest version basically. So now I'm just going to scroll down and find the Cash App. It should be here. So click on Cash App, then click on Offload App, and then once again click on Offload App in here. Wait a little bit and then click on the blue button here again, as you can see. And what will happen now is that, as you can see on my Cash App, it says loading. What will happen now is that you will automatically update your Cash App to the latest version. And it's going to fix that problem that you're not able to view stocks on your Cash App account. But for some reason, if this still is not working for you, this might actually be a serious problem. You need to go back into your Cash App and contact the support that works for Cash App then and explain them the situation. Because even after you have done this and still it's not working, then there might actually be a bigger issue on your account. So contact support and then make sure that you explain to them the problem, and then hopefully it will be fixed for you.